How to schedule Facebook group posts from mobile. To schedule a post in a Facebook group using your phone, start by opening the Meta Business Suite app on your mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the specific Facebook group where you want to share the content. Tap to create a post just like you normally would. Add your message, image, or link. Before publishing, look for the option labeled Schedule for Later or a calendar icon near the bottom of the screen. Tap it, then select the exact date and time you want the post to go live. Once everything looks good, tap the Schedule button to confirm. To make sure it's queued properly, go to the Planner section inside Meta Business Suite, where you will see all your scheduled posts. This makes it easy to plan ahead and keep your group active without posting in real time. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.